Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. We have a good news today. NLUO Odisha has released a vacant seat notification. Let's take a look at that. For all the NLUO vacant seat notifications, visit Abhyaas LawPrep website where we regularly update all the NLUs that have recently released vacant seat notifications, and we have also made videos on the same. At 13th number is NLUO Odisha. Click here for the notification. So, here, the number of vacant seats that have been released are of the two programs. First one is BA LLB Honours and the second program is of BBA LLB Honours. So for All India General category of BA LLB Honours at NLUO Odisha is 7 seats, and for BBA LLB Honours there are 11 seats in the All India General category. And ensure that you check with all the vacant seats that are available, and as such there is no eligibility for applying for the same. That means that if you just appear for CLAT, no matter what rank you get, you can still make a payment and apply for this vacant seat notification. So for that, you have to make a application fee payment of ₹1000 in this link, okay, in online sbi.sbi, and then you'll have to search for National Law University Odisha. You got this in the drop down menu, search for National Law University Odisha, and then choose the payment category to be miscellaneous collection, and then click on all the details you'll have to fill in: your roll number, your name, your category, your stream, which stream you have taken in your +1, +2, that is your class 11th and class 12th, and your batch, that is CLAT 2025, and then purpose of deposit. As I mentioned, the purpose of deposit, that you'll have to write it to be application fees for admission against vacancies. So here in this form you'll have to fill in the same, and you also have to enter the amount that you want to pay, and then you'll have to enter the captcha and click on next, and then make the payment through this online sbi.sbi link. After making the payment, the process doesn't end there. Ensure that you do this payment and you complete all the formalities on or before 11:50 p.m. of 6th July. You'll have to click on this link, and then you will be redirected to this page, this Google form. So ensure that you deposit the fees of ₹1000 first. You can also apply for both the BBA LLB and BA LLB also, but you have to do it one after another, correct? So while filling this, you'll have to enter your amount paid and your UTR number. After making the payment, check the receipt for the UTR number, fill in the same, and then enter your transaction date also, and also enter your SBI payment receipt. So make sure it's in PDF or image format and upload the same. And then you'll also have to fill in all your personal details as per your CLAT 2025 application form or your class 10, class 12th certificates, and you have to enter all your personal details, and then you'll have to enter your CLAT revised rank. Okay, so the revised score, what is the revised rank? You'll have to stay updated for the same, and you'll also have to choose which category you are applying under this vacant seat notification. Make sure that you apply as per the vacant seats that are available in the notification that I've just explained earlier. And you also upload your CLAT revised scorecard and choose your program. Okay, so first, after you make ₹1000, fill this form, and for another, fill this form. Make sure you do all of this hassle free and and your year of passing, your board, your authority which passed you, like State Board of Bihar or State Board of Andhra Pradesh, whichever board you've written your exam. These are all not mandatory, you don't need to fill them, but you'll have to upload all these enclosures, just class 10th certificate, 12th certificate, your admit card, CLAT admit card, and your color passport size photograph. You'll have to put all of them in a PDF format, and then you'll have to upload it here, and then you'll have to give a declaration and click on S, and that completes your vacant seat application form, correct? Before clicking on submit, make sure you check everything from the beginning again, and do this process before 6th July 2025, 11:50 p.m. All the best. Stay tuned for more such vacant seat notification updates. Thank you.